do on the rest of this head. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I go by Rose Concrete, and today I'm going to be trying a wash and go using a new product, the Doux Mousse Def. So the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam High Definition Control Mousse, and just to read a little bit of the information on the back for you all, it says, what is Doux? Wash and goes, twist outs, rod sets, blowouts, conditions, defines, and shines in one step with no crunch, cuts styling and drying time in half. It says, do you for best results. Do not apply oil to hair before applying this product. For curly hair, apply a liberal amount to clean, damp hair. Allow to dry completely before separating curls. Once dry, fluff and separate as usual. So let's get started. I am starting on freshly washed and conditioned hair. Woo chow. So I have kind of sectioned off my hair. I'm gonna work on my right side first, and I'm going to start by spraying with just a little bit of aloe vera juice because it did say damp hair, and my hair wasn't really damp. It was almost, the ends were almost dry. All right, so it said a liberal amount. For this section, I'm gonna do 2 pumps. Let's just see. Smells good. I'm going to finger detangle because I prefer to finger detangle. There we go. I think that was a nice amount for that section size. Oh, Lord. Oh, okay. Okay, Doux. Let's see how you do on the rest of this head. Yes. Ooh, child. Sorry, y'all. I am getting... I promise I'm getting my ends trimmed later this week, which is why I just wanted to do a wash and go instead of doing like a full-blown twist out, because I didn't want to spend a lot of time styling my hair knowing that I'm getting ready to go to see my stylist soon. Okay, let's see. This section is a little thicker, so I'm gonna do 3 pumps this time. There we go. There we go. Let's see. So personally, I have never used a mousse on my hair myself, but like I'm okay with this definition. And the fact that I'm only using one product, I'm not using an oil, I'm not using a leave-in because this conditions hair. I mean, so far, I'm impressed. Y'all. Okay, if y'all hear some whining in the background, that's my dog, Bear. I don't know what he's crying about. He probably wants attention, or he probably needs to go outside. But He's gonna have to wait till I'm done. All right, this section is pretty thick, so I'm gonna separate it in half and go from there. As a matter of fact, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my head and I'll be back. Okay, beautiful. This is what we're looking like so far. I just finished this side and I started with this side, but I am thoroughly impressed with the definition that I'm seeing, especially because the only product that I used was the Mousse Def. So I'm gonna let this dry overnight and I will be back tomorrow to show you the final results. So stay tuned. Okay, it's the next day and I'm nervous about this because I've never just used one product for wash and go. I'm also nervous because my hair dried really fast, but the bottle does say that it cuts styling time in half and it cuts drying time in half or something like that. So I mean, let's see. Okay. I'm just gonna stick up like that, all right? Yeah. Is there, Lord. Lord Jesus, help the hair, Father. Help the hair. Okay, I mean, I see the definition. It is pretty dry, like it doesn't really have any shine or like moisture to it. Let's just take the top down, child. Let's see. Oh, this is still wet in here. I probably should have done 6 sections instead of 2. All right. Yeah. Let me play with this, and I'll be back. I mean, it's not looking much better. I mean, what am I supposed to do with this? I mean, I tried to pin this back, like this in here is still wet. All right, I think I'm gonna just high puff it today. I mean, okay. So this is just what we gonna do today. So my final thoughts on this mousse. I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna return it. I got it from Target, so I mean, I could take it back because I saved my receipt, but I'm gonna keep it and I want to try more with this. Wash and go just didn't work for me. I'm gonna go get my ends trimmed in a couple of days, so I mean, I may attempt this again, I may not, but I am gonna try like twist outs with this. Yeah, I'm gonna try with the twist out. There's still about this much left in here, and I did follow the directions which say to use a liberal amount, so I used a lot of this. It just didn't work out for me. I am going to look more into this line because because I think they have like a curl cream or something. So maybe if I pair it with something else from the line, it'll be fine. But I was really looking forward to having just a one product wash and go. Y'all do remember I was nervous though, so I had a feeling it wasn't gonna work. I was trying to be optimistic. Just didn't turn out right. So this high puff is just gonna work for the next couple of days. And we'll try it again later. So if you haven't subscribed and you've made it this far, go ahead and subscribe below. Hit the red button that says subscribe. Remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. Remember to keep the faith wherever you are in your hair journey or your life journey. I'll see you next time. Bye.